Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram music language. This is a step-by-step guide which is updated as well. So let's get into it. Wondering why Instagram keeps showing you music in a language you don't even understand? Okay, let's fix that. Please note that there's no official setting that says change music language in Instagram. Instead, it all depends on your account region and also how you use the music sticker. I'm going to show you how to be able to use the music sticker in a nice format and be able to change the Instagram music language. First, you need to make sure that Instagram app is updated by going to Play Store or App Store and searching for Instagram over there like so. Click on update if it's not updated to make sure that you enjoy all the current features in the app. Once you are done with the updating, open the app. Inside here, you'll find all the current posts, current reels, which have been posted by your friends or suggestions also by Instagram. Now, let's go ahead and click on this plus button right there. You'll be brought inside here where you just need to look for that post which you need to combine with the music language of your choice playing in the background. I'll just choose this photo here or these posts here. And once inside here, this is where the trick is. Click on this tick icon like so and just search for music sticker and press on it. And yeah, here is where you have the option to just search for any music of your choice. I can just search for any language music like Swahili, like that. And you can see we have a ton of Swahili songs, which you can click on. You can even preview the playing and confirm whether it's the song of your choice. And you can tap on it. Yeah, and this is where now you have the music, and you can see even the lyrics will be playing, and you can even change the style. You can change the even the lyrics fonts. Also, this is a tip. Did you know that changing your Instagram location can secretly unlock a whole new world of music? Yep, it's like giving Instagram a passport and saying, take me somewhere else. So if we change the Instagram location, it can also influence and change the music language. So this is how to do it. Go to your profile by clicking on it here at the bottom right corner. Click on Edit Profile and then scroll down to where we have contact options and tap on it. And then click on business address. And yeah, this is where you can now change to any location or to a location where you know just certain taste of music or a certain language of music. It can really influence also the type of the music language that you'll access on Instagram. Yeah, that's another way also. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and click on that notification bell to never miss an update.